Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check lot of cars here, trucks, etc. So now let's check with me, and I will checking and showing you about the trucks. About this one, everybody. The first one, a cement mixer truck. Cement mixer truck. About this one, petroleum truck. Petroleum truck. Mini airplane, white color, with the word happy. 868. Excavator, shoot excavator. About this one, racing car, red color, racing car, red color. About this, monster truck, very nice monster truck, you can see. Super motorbike, this one is a super motorbike, yellow color, super motorbike, yellow color. Excavator, mini excavator, shoot excavator. Super motorbike, very nice. This one is also a racing super motorbike number 6. Okay, how about this hero, everybody? Hero Captain America, Hero Captain America. Monster truck, a remote control monster truck. Okay, now check the next one. Excavator. Everybody love excavator. Everybody loves excavator. Nice excavator. How about this one? A broken logistic truck. A broken logistic truck. Broken logistic truck. Another monster truck, but different colors. How about this? Bus. Shoot bus. Okay, everybody. So now I go forward and show you some bigger vehicle here. How about this? Truck. A truck, Mike shoot truck. Petroleum truck. This one is a petroleum truck. Monster truck, remote control monster truck number 22. Shoot bus. Shoot bus. About this one, airplane. Car transporter. A transporter. Shoot bus. Racing car number 95. Another shoot car transporter. Petroleum truck. Petroleum truck. A tanker truck. How about this? Racing car number 3. Very nice. Mike shoot truck. Mike shoot truck. Red airplane. Red airplane. Another truck but different shape. Last one, a logistic truck. Okay, everybody, so now thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye, good luck, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, see you next time.